Welcome back. I'm so excited. I want to show you guys this fun thing. Okay, now, if you have a little person in your household that loves baked potato, but they don't like to eat the skins, well, yes, Josh, that would be you. So, don't throw those out. Just scoop out the potato out of them. And now I'm going to show you what to do with those leftover potato skins. We're going to make loaded potato skins. Who doesn't love that, right? And also, guys, if you want to see more recipes like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave me a comment too. And get ready, because I'm going to show you a hack on this. That sometimes if you can still find a restaurant that serves loaded potato skins, a lot of times they forget this step. You've got to salt those potato skins. Too often I have gotten these out somewhere and they did not salt this. From this step, they didn't put any salt, and they're just so bland that you're just looking, you're searching for that flavor, that salt. Just a little bit of salt right there will solve that problem for you. Okay, now from there, I have a little bit of softened cream cheese that I put this in the microwave on the softened setting and got it really soft. Now, you can skip this step if you want to, no problem. They're still delicious. I'm doing this because I want these, I'm taking these to get together tonight. I want them to be really good and substantial, okay? So I have the sour cream in there. Once again, little bit of salt. Doesn't have to have a lot, but a little bit. I'm also going to use a little bit of black pepper, and I want to use the really finely ground, just a little bit in there. Okay. All right, now, of course, you want to mix that up, get that incorporated in there. All right, now from there, next step. A little bit of cheese, and I'm going to show you on the finish. This isn't all the cheese that's going to go in here. This is so fun. Yummy for people who love Cheetos. Yummy for people who love cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, now that's just our mixture there that's going to go into the potato skins at this point in time. Like I said, just a little bit. Now we're just going to spread that down into the little cavity of the potato skin. Okay guys, now once you get those filled with that mixture, put them on make sure you line your pan, because that's going to make your cleanup a whole lot easier. And your oven, remember, is preheated on 350, and you need to do that, at the beginning so that it'll be ready for you. Okay, so from here, we're going to load in our cheesies. This just a little bit more generous because I don't like going to a place where I'm all excited about ordering something. I have this idea in my mind of how good it's going to be, and then when it comes out, there's like 2 tiny little bacon tidbits on each skin, and you're just so disappointed because you feel like you kind of got a little bit cheated there, and I don't like to do that, so. All right, the bacon is on. We're going to finish them with just a little bit of salt. Once again, you have to remember, guys, that if you haven't treated your potatoes with anything, they're gonna be a little bit bland, such as potatoes usually are, right? But you add just that little bit of salt and they are fantastic. Back in the oven. Okay, been 20 minutes, guys. Let's check on our potato skins. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that. Oh. You know, guys, I still get excited when I try something and it just, even if I've done it many, many times, still, when it comes out great, I get excited. But that's cool, right? All right, now we're gonna load them up the rest of the way, which is just some fresh chopped scallion. And if you got people in your crowd that don't like them, that's okay, just leave them off. All right, they came out of the oven, we topped them with our scallions, we plated them, and now the best part, we get to taste. And on these guys, you just want a little bit of plain sour cream, okay? Ooh, do you see it, bitch? You give it a taste test. Oh my word. You have got to make these, as you saw, they're so easy, they're simple, but almost everybody likes cheese and bacon, and oh my word, this combo, premier, okay? And guys, as always, if you like what you're seeing, give me a like and a comment. Make sure you subscribe to that channel so you can see this and all the videos we're uploading for you each and every week. And let me know how this turned out for you, because I tell you, if you make this for an appetizer for game day or whatever, they're gonna go so fast, you're gonna have to make more. So let me know how it turns out for you, okay? And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.